Welcome back to the Uninex International Product Review page. Today we'll be looking at product VS106, the Clover Air Humidifier. The USB flower-shaped air humidifier removes unfavorable odors and smells, increases humidity of air, reducing dust and bacteria, moisturizes your skin, and is lightweight design, which makes it very easy to use in different applications such as office, home, and car. This product is also easy to use because it has USB interface and is very easy to assemble. To operate the Clover Air Humidifier, product VS106, simply remove the flower-shaped humidifier from the cup. Fill the cup with water, and before placing back the flower-shaped humidifier, make sure that the filter is in place. Next, plug into a standard outlet and connect the device to the USB port. Once connected, to begin the humidification, press the power button. Thanks for viewing our video demonstration.